The power cord is a 2-wire 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing 1/2 of the rear handle. Now remove the cord clamp. With the clamp removed, I can remove the cord wires from the switch and the terminal block. And I'll remove the cord protector from the cord. Now I can install the new cord. I'll use the old cord as a guide to cut the wires to length. I'll line the wires up and then trim off the excess. Now I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. Now install a new eyelet to the black wire. And I'll reinstall the cord protector. Now I can rewire the new cord to the switch. And I'll reconnect the white wire to the terminal block. I'll realign the cord protector with the housing. And now I can reinstall the cord clamp. Now I'll reinstall the handle. And that's all it takes to replace the cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.